Yeah, so first of all, so we look to bring Vericon in to install on a percentage, and it is only a very small percentage. I'm not trying to say we've got thousands of them by any means. But what we viewed is we could start putting in technology on some of our new installations, which we do as through our DLO, so it is an internal resource, to start trying to get more information on the boiler and proactive maintenance of it to ultimately improve the service offer we can offer to customers. That all comes down onto the Vericon portal that at the time only my team from a planned works division had access to. When we were then looking at some of the data and dew points and humidity that we can get through to Vericon, on a couple of occasions, we realised there was something else going on in the property that wasn't affecting their heat and hot water, but was obviously the way it was transacting with the customer and the property was going to cause either identified already issues or was going to cause issues if not looked into.